If you have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, here's a great feature you can use in Microsoft Outlook. I use this all the time at work, my regular full time job, and it just saves me a ton of time every week. So I have an email from Carol Wilson in this example, and we've been having a thread conversation about this. And here's the latest from Carol to me. So I could either do a reply, and if those multiple people reply to all, it wouldn't matter. I'll just hit reply here. Now, down at the bottom of my screen, if you notice, there are three replies. We've had this in Outlook for a long time where someone sends you an email and you say, got it, or thank you, or something. But these are Copilot replies down here at the bottom. And so if I mouse over great hotel suggestions, conference excitement, shared, discuss, session preferences, or custom, I'm going to go with the great hotel suggestions. So, what it's going to do though, instead of just putting great hotel suggestions, is it's actually going to write something about the hotel suggestions. So, I actually love this feature right here. I'm going to click on make it longer. It's showing me what it has up above. So, there's my reply to the email. And frequently, the reply that Copilot does is at least what I would have done, and a lot of times better. And if you just need to tweak it, you would click on keep it and then come in here and just tweak the reply. Huge time saver if you need to reply to an email. I'm Chris Menard. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.